What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at 1330, up 2% on the day. Same market cap of 161 billion. 24-hour volume, 10.25 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab your $4,000 deposit blast off bonus for 13 more days, and you'll also receive free access to my Discord if you email me your sign up email. Let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So what I'm looking at is now we're coming down in our wave 3, which is here in blue, and our sub wave count is we've had a wave 1 down, and now we're putting in a wave 2. What we may see here is some sort of ABC correction, of course. Oh God. Yeah, where we come up in a wave A, we come down in a B, we come up in a C. But anywhere in this zone in between 1318 and 1350 is your wave 2 rejection area. So that's in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, and then you would come down for a wave 3, which would take you all the way down to 1168. Put in a wave 4, wave 5, complete the wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which is here in white, which would only be a wave 1 of the wave 3. I do not think the bottom is in for Ethereum, and then we have one more wave down to take you down in between 550 and 650. The kiss of death just printed in the stock market. If you don't know what that is, check out Alessio. I just posted it in my Discord. Right here, the kiss of death, Alessio Rustani, I believe that's how you say his name. Incredible video. The majority of times we have seen this signal, it led to a prolonged bear market, which lines up with my analysis of one more wave down to 550 to about 650 for BTC. The bulls think that the bottom is in and that this is a wave 2 pullback. Of course, anything is possible, and now we shoot up in a wave 3 to 3,000. But we're going into a recession, guys. Inflation is not slowing down anytime soon. Personally, looking at the macro scale of things, I don't think the bottom is in, but anything is possible. So that bullish wave count is that we've either already completed the wave 2 pullback or looking to put in that wave 5, and then you push up in a wave 3 to about 3K. I don't think so, but of course anything is possible. All I'd be looking at if we push up to the upside is a rally where we've I know this is hard to see. We've completed the 5-wave move down. You see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, just to complete that wave 3 here in red. So you see a rally. People get really bullish in the whales. Once again, take advantage, just as they did right here. You know what everyone was saying in my comment section when I was calling for a wave 4 and a wave 5 to the downside, and that price was going to turn around? Everyone said, we're going to the moon, we're going to 8,000. The merge, we're going to the moon. Well, did that happen? No. And once again, if we see a bounce, the bottom is in, we're going to the moon, and then boom, continuation to the downside, in my opinion. But in the short term here, what we're looking for is a rejection in between, let me open this up, in between 1318 and 1350. We're already starting to see a rejection. Maximum retracements about 1375, as a wave 2 cannot break the wave 1 high but can retrace up to 99% of wave 1. And then you would come down in a wave 3. Why is my screen going crazy? In a wave 3, that would take you down to about 1164. Wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave 3 here in blue. But if we do come up and break that high, then that would be more confirmation that potentially this 5-wave move had already been complete right here. And now we're going to push up in a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation. What just happened? And now we're going to push up in a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the downside. But as of right now, the wave count that we're watching here is that we're still looking to come down in a wave 5. Hope that all makes sense. If you're new to Elliott Wave, just make sure to do some research on YouTube and you'll have a better understanding of what I'm saying. We could also have a lot of traders looking at this as a bear flag or a bear pennant, pattern traders, and that target also takes you down to the target of our head and shoulders, which is a strong demand zone here at about 1044 for our friend Ethereum. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members. You can have free access if you sign up to Bybit and send me your sign up email. And at the $10 membership, you get early access to my analysis as well as my trades. Recently locked in a Bitcoin short right before the bounce and may look to take another short position on Bitcoin. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Sign up through the Patreon for the signal. Sign up to Bybit for free access. You can check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.